In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a business owner keeping a close eye on your finances or an accountant working to ensure everything is accounted for, QuickBooks Online offers powerful tools to help you track, adjust, and plan your budgets. Managing budgets effectively is key to maintaining financial health, and in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to navigate the budgeting features in QuickBooks Online to make the most of your financial planning tools. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's dive right in. First, start by clicking on the left panel in QuickBooks Online. This is where you'll find all the key navigation options from here. Select the Financial Planning option to access the financial tools you'll need. Once you're in, click on the Budgets tab. This will take you to the Budgets Hub, the central location where all your current and past budgets are stored. In the Budgets Hub, you'll see a list of your existing budgets. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific budget you want to work with. When you've found it, look to the right side of the budget name. You'll see a small carrot-shaped icon. Click on this icon to open the action menu. Now you'll have several options to choose from. If you want to compare your actual financial results to your planned figures, select Run Reports. This will give you a clear side-by-side comparison, helping you evaluate how well you're staying on track with your financial goals. If you need to make adjustments or take a closer look at the budget details, choose View or Edit. This will open the budget, allowing you to review line items and make any necessary changes. If there's a budget you no longer use but want to keep for historical reference, select Archive. Archiving will hide the budget from your active list while preserving its data for future reference. Looking to reuse a budget or roll it forward into a new period? Simply click Duplicate. This option is perfect if you want to use an existing budget as a template for the next cycle. On the other hand, if you have a budget that is no longer needed and you want to remove it completely, select Delete. Keep in mind that this action is permanent, so make sure it's what you want to do before confirming. If you already have a budget prepared in a spreadsheet and want to bring it into QuickBooks Online, click the Import button located at the top right corner of the Budgets Hub. Follow the prompts to upload your file and integrate it into the system. If you'd prefer to start fresh and build a budget directly within QuickBooks Online, click the Create New button, which is also in the top right corner. This will guide you through the process of creating a customized budget from scratch. Finally, if you want to review or make edits to a specific budget, you can click directly on the budget name in the list. This will open the full budget view, where you can dive into the line items and make any necessary updates. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your budgets in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your financial planning is always up to date and tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.